Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
Hello everyone, we are taking a bus to Miracle Garden today. So the bus that we got on is the 105 at Mall of the Emirates.
And you have got my head in the clouds.
You can purchase the ticket in advance and it's gonna cost you 95 dirham, but if you are a UAE national or a resident, you are advised to purchase it at the ticketing counter instead because you get a lower price, which is 65 dirham.
The simple joy of hearing your voice.
As you go in, you will be welcomed with this crowd of people. I really recommend that you go during the month of January or February because it's pretty windy and chilly here in Dubai. There are toilets and prayer room nearby the entrance. At Miracle Garden, you will be able to see a spectacular display of flowers and plants that are planted into different shapes.
We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the...
There are also souvenir shops nearby the entrance as well.
I don't know what I would do without you, because
if you are going there during peak season, then you will probably have to line up to get this spot for photography. There's the famous Emirates airplane, which is something that you probably see when you Google Miracle Garden online.
Is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much.
Right now we are entering the Smurf village. Each Smurf is placed at quite a good distance from one another so that people could choose their spot and take their time there.
Can't imagine living life alone.
separate ways.
'Cause with you I feel like
Who knows how far we go.
There are also quite a bit of restaurants and food stalls all over Miracle Garden.
on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's every.
This side of the Smurf village has a lot of mushroom houses in different colors, which are quite cute.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me.
And this area has some more souvenirs and clothing shop.
Like to go late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs.
We ended up getting a pizza and we chose the shrimp flavor, which cost us 50 dirham. They mistakenly made a bigger size, so they gave it to us anyway, even though we ordered a small one.
Is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't.
At about 6 p.m. everybody gather around this area, which is like an amphitheater. The show begins right after Call to Prayer, and there are casts of Disney princesses entertaining the kids.
And I don't have to braid my hair all morning and pick off the flowers from the garden. Soon there will be no more flowers.
Exchanging letters when you're away.
There are also an area for people with children, playground, and some games for them to enjoy.
I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you.
There are still quite a lot of people even after sunset. We went into this area with a lot of giant flowers and plants sculpture.
Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to
This is an area that looks more like a food court area.
Don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go? Don't you know that?
This spot is especially beautiful. It looks almost like a real lake. Now this is the view for the Emirates plane at night. This heart-shaped pathway is super beautiful to take photos at.
lazy Sunday mornings hiding under cover.
We also came across this parade of Disney princesses that perform just now.
Laying right beside me, I don't mind when it's just us two.
If you are looking for a more private area to spend with your family, you can stay at one of these. My husband ended up getting a cob of corn for himself.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds. Oh, 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much.
After that, we ended up going up the stairs and see what's happening up there.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything.
After we finished going around Miracle Garden, we ended up going to Vincitore Boulevard, which you have to walk quite a bit to get there.
Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have
There are several restaurants along this street with Italian village cafe type of vibe, and we even saw one Thai restaurant across the street.
heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you.
There are still a lot of empty shop lots there, but I think once they are all occupied, it will be even more lively. And we bump into this kitty, which is a rare sight in Dubai, especially if you live in the city.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple love and it's
We ended up having dinner at this Thai restaurant.
Morning I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go our separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple.
We ordered tom yum noodle soup as well as mango sticky rice, which is our favorite. The portion of the mango sticky rice is huge, so we ended up packing some of it to bring home with us. This is how much we ended up spending on that day. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I can see the vista of your heels, then a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night when we wake up still on the bed.